What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to tutorial 20, and today we'll do the second part of the IPL WhatsApp bot. So those are actually following my tutorial know what I am actually talking about. In the last tutorial, which was tutorial 19, we have created one simple WhatsApp bot so that you can use it for getting live updates for any ongoing IPL matches. And what is IPL matches and what is IPL, I'm not going to discuss this thing because those are part of cricketing community, they all are familiar with this thing. So let's go ahead and start doing the tutorial. So before I start, let me just recap whatever actually we did. So if you guys remember, we did something in the last tutorial that if you write something, my internet is not connected, so it is not getting delivered yet. So maybe yes, if you see here, if you write something like that, it will ask you to either enter 1 2 3, and depending on that it will give you some response. If you press 1, so right now Kolkata Knight Riders and Rajasthan Royals match is being played, so it will give you like live score in the form of JSON. But if you see, this is not normal readable format. Definitely those are part of technical core technical community, or part of just forget about technical. Those are part of like any programming language, or know something about programming language. They definitely know this is kind of a key value pair, and from there actually you can easily get, for example, batting is the key and this is itself is a value, and this this is a value, and bowling is another key and this is the value. So in this dictionary there are total 2 key, one is batting, one is bowling, and from there actually you have to parse. So now our job is to do some sort of parsing so that it can be easily readable by any of the user, whoever actually using this bot. Okay, so that is the today's topic. So there are total 3 menu, but I'll be going to only concentrate on the first one. Okay, so before I do this thing, I just copy paste this whole thing here. Okay, so if you see, this is the dictionary and I have a key called batting, and inside the batting I have this thing until here actually, until thing batting is not sure, before bowling. Okay, so batsman. Okay, so until this, and we have one part called bowling, so we have to parse through this thing. So let's start writing the code. Okay, so first thing first, I think I should remove this thing. This is not required at all. So what we'll do, we will do something called batting. What are the information available? First thing is the batting team, then score. Okay, so first thing batting team, then batting underscore score, then batting underscore what else is there, score, then we have run, wickets, over. Okay, fine. So it should be batting runs, then it should be batting underscore overs, and it is then batting underscore wickets. Okay, so so how this is going to be parsed? So it should be like from the whole thing is a dictionary, and I have a key called batting, and inside the batting I have another key called team. So it should be full score, and then it should be batting, and after that it is going to be team. Okay, and then batting score will be score is going to be this, but score is inside a list, and just because in list is having only one element, so this is 0th element, and there actually I have some attribute called innings number runs. These are things will be coming. Okay, so let's, before I write something, I can write batting INN means innings. Okay, so it should be, let's something this, then score, then list is 0, and then I have the key call innings num. Okay, so I can write something like this, then I have to just copy and paste this thing, and will change the last key. Okay, score is going to be, I think score means runs only, so I don't need this thing, so it should be runs, over is going to be overs, and wicket is going to be wicket. Okay, fine. And if you see, the same thing is here for bowling team. So this is right now what we'll do, this is actually the old value. Maybe if you see here, the bowling team is also having some score, so let me just copy this thing. Okay, so while I doing the practice, probably I took the old value, so that is why. Okay, fine, this is all fine, so done. So now what I'll do, I'll try to create a full score. Okay, so full score is going to be, okay, so maybe here, and we'll try to write something here. Okay, so what we can write, we'll see now. Okay, I'm just thinking something realistic. Maybe we can write, let's write this thing from here. Let's see, currently maybe innings number 1 is going on, is doing the batting. Okay, current doing the batting, then maybe we can write something current score is maybe is at the end of over, batting overs, with the loss of wickets. So currently innings number is going on, batting team is doing the batting, this team is doing, current score is this at the end of over. So I believe everything is fine, all are okay. So let's try to check whether we are able to get this thing correctly or not. Okay, no error. Let's execute this thing with the option 1. Yeah, okay, why this is not coming? Okay, full score is this. Okay, I did a mistake. I did the whole thing for option 2. Actually it should be for, I believe it should be for option I did a mistake. I did it everything for option 2. It should be for option 1 actually. Don't worry, we'll change it everything from here. Let's remove this thing. Okay, batting team full score. Okay, so it should be like this, and we'll use F string. Okay, so we'll remove this thing. Okay, live score is this, so ideally it should be live score, not full score. This will be changed with this, then this is okay, fine. So hopefully it should work now. So I did a mistake, I like did everything for option 2. Okay, so let's execute for 1. Yes, currently innings number 2 is going on. Rajasthan Royals is doing the batting. Current score is 50 at the end of 9 overs with a loss of 5 wickets. Okay, so that's it. We are able to generate this thing. But if you see here, in innings number 1 is already completed, and this thing for bowling team, this is like if you see here, they have some runs over here. Okay, so in that case we have to write that bowling team is Kolkata Knight Riders, and they scored this run, and this team is currently chasing that, so that has to be done. So we'll see that in the next part, because that will be a bit complex for all of you guys to understand. So what I'm trying to say, so see right now, like we did some sort of parsing, but there is one more thing is still pending, because from this score it is not clear that like what is the target which currently being chased by the batting team, but that value is already there. If you check in this dictionary in bowling, for this value, that in the innings number 1 they score 174, so the target is 175. So it's supposed to be written here only 2 lines, that bowling team Kolkata Knight Riders did the batting at the first innings and they scored 174, like this, and at the loss of 6 wicket they did that. You have to write that thing. So if you can write that thing, then that will be really easy. Okay, so how to do that? So we'll see in the that in the next part, and I'm just giving you a hint, so probably you guys can come up with some sort of idea. If you check here, the bowling key, bowling is also a dictionary key, and that is also having like one value, like this is the whole value of this thing, and within the dictionary itself there is a key called score, and so score is like contains a list, and within the list you have this thing, innings number 1, scores, wicket, overs, and this many things, and from the bowler you can easily get who is doing the bowling and what are the different wicket falls. So as I told you, this is going to be very small tutorial, but again I'll go very slowly so that you guys can like understand each and every pieces. But if you understand that there is not much technicalities are there, you have to just understand the data and you have to know the techniques, how you can parse those things and what are the different things. By look and feel, like it looks that it is very complex and you will not be able to do, like okay, somebody is doing some rocket science thing like sending some message in the WhatsApp and getting the data for live score. Nothing like that. You are actually going to hit the API. From the API you are getting the raw JSON data, and with the help of Python code we are doing some parsing, and after that you are again sending the response back with your data in the form of string. That's it. So hopefully you guys understand the workflow and how to do different things. Now I believe it's clear. So in the next tutorial we'll complete this like full score part, like the bowling teams and the score is currently being chased by the batting team. Okay, so we'll do that, and once that is done, then we'll go ahead and we'll work on this option 2 and option 3. Hopefully by mid of next week our bot will be completely ready. I can create the whole bot in a single tutorial, but that will not be a good idea because that tutorial length will be 3 hours 4 hours, and hopefully this will be too much to ask for all of you guys. So that is why I'm just creating small tutorials so that it is actually going to help you to understand and you guys can get some time to practice. So enough of talking, guys. So what I actually did, I actually change in the existing code so that whenever I do the commit you will be able to get the full code from the GitHub repository. I don't need to like write a separate code. So I'll upload the code as well. Upload means I'll just recommit one more commit, so the new updates will be available from the GitHub repository. So no more talking, guys, but if you are having some similar use cases, please feel free to send me email or WhatsApp message, or you can send me some comment box message as well. I will try to include all those use cases in the video. And apart from this thing, if you are having any doubt, suggestion, feedback, or if you have any complaint regarding our complaints, feel free to write me back. We'll try to improve our qualities as well. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice day.